Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's OmniBreeze tower fan. It has 4 speeds, ultra quiet, oscillation, 15-hour timer, 3 breeze mode, and also come with the remote control. It is for indoor use only. And this is made in China. It is 40-inch tall. So I got this from Costco. Original retail price is $29.99. And it is on sale with $10 off. So unfortunately, the tax is based on $29.99. So total with tax is about 22 something. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys on how to install this. Although it's winter time, so I purchased this to back up just in case one of my fan fails. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys the product. So I come with the user manual, and this is a model DC2018. So you got the fan body, and then base. There's a front base, and then a back base. Remote control, and also with the button battery. Also a plastic nut installed on the bottom of the fan. So I guess you don't need to use a Phillips screwdriver anymore. So maybe over here. Oh no, this is the power cord. So it's straightforward, pretty simple. So be sure to take out the plastic on the remote. So that will allow you to have a contact for the battery, and then the remote start working. So, and then the battery is CR or DL2032 type. So by the way, there's also a fuse embedded in the plug. I'm not sure if it comes with the extra fuse or not. And then here's a troubleshooting guide. So we're gonna aim it on the fan right now. Wow. Prevent from scratching, so. And then the remote is right here. So we're gonna remove this. So this will be the front, and this will be the back. You see this is for the cable. The cable is right on the back right here. And there's a groove right here that you need to match it. Huh. Make sure you line out the holes. And put the nut in. As you can see, before they use screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So I guess they got rid of the screws, the Phillips screws. So this is make it easier, so we'll see. And then that's it. So there's a big prong and then a small one, right? And then the fuse is right here. You could slide this door open toward the front. Too bad I cut my nail, so there you go. And you can reveal the tiny fuse over here. I'm going to turn on the light so you can see it better. So there is a fuse. It's pretty small. Okay. I'm not sure what size is the fuse. But anyway, that's the fuse right there. Okay, and then this is where I screw this in. And there are holes for the screws in case you want to put the screw. But it doesn't come with the extra screw, so. So here's the fan speed, and then oscillation. Oh no, oscillation right here, and 3 modes of breeze, and this is the timer right here, and then on switch. So be sure to remove this plastic to separate the contact from the battery. Just pull it right out, and then that's it. In case you need to put it back in, just open the door. Yeah, I'm not sure if I need to insert something to push it out. Yeah, I probably need to push like a paper clip to push that in so I can slide the door out. But anyway, that's how you, yeah, so I think that's to have child safety in case they take out the battery by accident and they accidentally eat the coin battery. They might get a choking hazard and stuff. So there's an on and off switch, the fan speed, oscillation, and then different 3 types of breeze mode, and then timers. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on. Wow, it's pretty strong. And then this is for oscillation. You have to point out the infrared. The infrared is up here. So this is a different breeze mode. It's a Christmas symbol there. So it's just high and low by itself. So right now it's on the lowest setting right now. Get it higher. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the strongest setting. And then you could set the 1 hour, 2 hour, and then after that you're gonna 2 plus 1, so it'll be 3, and then 4 hour, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, and then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So maximum is 15 hours timer. And then you press this for oscillation. Wow, now it's turning. Alright, and then press off. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.